I had an issue with my iPF9400 where I was in the middle of a printhead change and the multi-sensor died on me. Little green and blue lights that flash in there. So I couldn't, even in service mode, I couldn't manually get the carriage to pull out. So I had to take out this side. And these twist, I believe it's counterclockwise. You'll jam a screwdriver in there to start pushing it out, and then it twists counterclockwise or clockwise on each of them to pop these out. And then there's a few screws, 1, 2, 3 screws on that one, and I think 1 screw down here that holds that on. And once that's off, you start twisting this dial clockwise or counterclockwise. Still can't remember. You do it, I had to do it 3 or 4 times before it finally released the carriage and I could move it out. And then after I got the carriage moved out, I started taking this down, taking this off. You've only got to take this 1 screw off here. There's more on the front going in this way. And once you have those screws out, you're gonna move the ink lines off of this, pull it out. And then there's 1 screw holding the multi-sensor in. In my case, the ribbon cable was just dirty. I was able to use alcohol to clean it up. It also looked like it was sticking off out of the multi-sensor a little bit. So cleaned up the ribbon, put it back in, and it's working good as new.